To replace this hood support strut, first of all, you want to make sure that you have the hood supported with something. I put a pry bar right here to hold it up for me because it is somewhat heavy. I'm going to start at the top right here with a pick or a pocket screwdriver. Just take this clip out, and as you pry out on this clip, you should be able to remove the strut from this little ball that it pivots on. And at the bottom here, a lot of times you can just pry it back and it'll pop out like that. If not, it has the same style clip right here, so just pop that out. To install the new one, clean up any debris that might be there, and then all you have to do is press it on here, and then line it up with the top over here, and press it on over here as well. And there you have it. Now do the same to the other side.